What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As usual, Summer here. Today I'm bringing you another epic drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing Beast Gohan special beam cannon in a very epic dynamic pose. Alright, as usual, these are the guidelines. If you need the guidelines, I'm using an A4 paper to draw this amazing, wonderful artwork. Alright, so guys, this is Beast Gohan, the special beam cannon. Alright, I'm doing this in an epic style with nice background and rocks around him to make him look more dynamic and mind-blowing. Alright, so as usual, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Support me. I upload epic drawing tutorials every single day for y'all, so hit that subscribe button, support me. Like the video. It's not going to take much of your time. Just click that like button, please. Just click it, like the video, and then comment down below what character you want to see next. Right, what kind of drawing do you want to see next, and I do reply to comments to comment down. Now let's get into the video. Hope you enjoy.
too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Till we're close enough, I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.